Business analytics versus data analytics. Which one should you choose? Okay, real talk. Would you rather decode data to build strategy for Netflix or write Python to predict the next big market trend for Google? Because that's the real difference between business analytics and data analytics. If you are an Indian student planning to study abroad, you need to choose smart. In the next few minutes, I am breaking down what's the difference, who should study what, cost, salaries, top universities and recruiters, and which one has better future.
A dream to chase, a world to explore. Shiksha study abroad opens the door. From rankings to streams, we've got it all. Your future's waiting, just make the call.
Let's make the choice crystal clear. Let's start with what's the difference. Business analytics is about solving business problems with data and storytelling, where data analytics is about data science, coding, and predictive analysis. So, if you love dashboard, Excel, and strategy, go business analytics. If you love Python, stats, and problem solving, data analytics is your game. Next up is requirements and eligibility. Let's clear the first hurdle, eligibility. For both degrees abroad, you typically need a bachelor's degree, a GPA of 6.5 or above or 60% or above, English proficiency with IELTS score of minimum 6.5 or above, and TOEFL score of 90 or above. For data analytics, many universities consider prior coding experience and background in maths, stats, or engineering. For business analytics, you will need quantitative background and no mandatory coding. Basics are often taught in the course. Next up is top countries and universities. Where should you go? It depends on your ROI goal. Some of the top countries are USA, UK, Canada, and Germany. Some top universities for business analytics are Warwick, UK, Columbia, USA, University of Melbourne, Australia, NUS, Singapore. Some top universities for data analytics are University College London, UK, Georgia Tech, USA, TU Munich, Germany, University of Waterloo, Canada. Next is career option and salary. After completing business analytics, students can expect the roles like business analyst, strategy analyst, and product analyst. Some of the top recruiters are Deloitte, Accenture, and Amazon. Students can expect the average salary between 40 to 80 lakhs per annum internationally. After completing data analytics, students can expect the roles like data analyst, BI developer, and data scientist. Some of the top recruiters are Google, Meta, IBM, and Netflix. Students can expect the average salary between 60 lakhs to 1 crore per annum internationally. Data analytics can pay more, but it's more technical, where business analytics offer faster entry for business minds. At last, let's discuss future scope. Both fields are growing like crazy. Over 30% demand boom is expected this decade. Business analytics leads into MBAs, consulting, and product management, whereas data analytics leads into AI, machine learning, and data science roles. So, strategy or science, Excel or Python, your choice, your career launchpad. Drop your UG background in comments and I'll help you pick business analytics or data analytics. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more study abroad updates.
Confused about study abroad? Don't worry. Get free expert counseling from Shiksha Study Abroad. From SOPs, LORs, university selection to visas, we cover it all. Message us now on WhatsApp at 8130132440 for 100% free guidance.